Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, at Commodity TV, and it's company presentation time. Osisko Gold Royalties is a Canadian special kind resource company. The difference to a normal metal producer is that Osisko buys stakes in resource companies and works as an active shareholder in a royalty model, with the company then in financing, exploration and development, even to bring the company into production. This accelerates the development of the associated company a lot, cause Osisko does not only bring money, but brings in addition expertise in mining, geology and engineering with them. To date, they have over 50 royalty agreements and 1 royalty stream acquired. Osisko is listed on the Toronto Stock Exchange under the symbol OR. The market cap stands around $1.6 billion, and they have approximately $500 million cash plus $200 million in credit lines. The investment portfolio has a value of around $222 million. The operating cash flow for the first 3 quarters 2016 stood around $41 million, and the company got around 38,300 ounces gold equivalent delivered to Osisko Gold Royalties, and they pay a quarterly dividend. What does the business model now look like? Well, in the license model finances Osisko a company which wants to go in production direct via cash for equity and gets a share in the company. In addition, they get an NSR percentage when the company goes in production for the mine life. In the accelerator model, buys Osisko first into the equity during exploration phase and gets a share of the company too. In addition, they get a royalties or a stream onto the future production in exchange for active technical finance support. This accelerates the exploration and development of the earlier stage company on the one hand, saves money, and on the other hand makes the Osisko share more worthy. The shareholders of Osisko benefit through the leverage effect on the gold price directly and indirectly. They participate to 100% in the exploration opportunities in the projects, but with zero cost for construction or for growth capital, nor for working capital. Osisko's numbers for 2016 look great so far. They received around 38,300 gold equivalent ounces, and in 2017 comes through the new Gibraltar stream with Taseko, in addition around 2,800 gold equivalent ounces. A further highlight is the 5% NSR royalty on the Canadian Malartic mine from Osisko Mining. This means for Osisko Gold Royalties in 2017 approximately 31,000 ounces gold, and in 2018 approximately 33,000 ounces gold deliveries at zero cost. On the Eleanor project of Goldcorp holds Osisko a 2% up to 3.5% NSR depending on production sizes. Further cash flow producing projects are, for example, Richmond Mines and Nottoway. In the accelerator model are the stakes in Falco Resources and Terra X Minerals important to mention, as both are great future production projects. The accelerator model has a usual 9-year cycle from exploration to positive cash flows. The weak resource markets in the last years were fantastic for Osisko because they bought for cheap prices into high quality assets like Arizona Mining or Barkerville. In the case of Arizona Mining, they made already a profit of close to $8 million after a short time, and at Osisko Mining they are around $24 million positive to their investment. The total investment portfolio stood on 22nd February at $261 million value, and they bought for $62 million new licenses, which will lead in the future to additional positive cash flows for Osisko. In 2017, will all stakeholdings and licenses make huge steps forwards regarding resources, reserves and expected production. There are over 860,000 meter drillings expected, which should lead to fantastic results. Windfall alone will see 250,000 meters drilled, and additional 115,000 meters will be drilled on Island Gold and many more on the other projects. The management team around Sean Rusin and Brian Coates is exceptional regarding experience, expertise and a success history in the mining world. Osisko Gold Royalties is a cash machine for the sake of their shareholders, but helps the mining industry in Canada in their accelerated development. Check out the company, and thanks for watching us. Bye bye from Munich.